This is a 1995 Subaru Legacy, and it will not start in cold weather. It starts fine in warm weather above freezing. We had the Subaru in the shop for about 3 weeks, and they replaced the water temperature sensor, checked the fuel pressure, replaced the fuel filter, replaced the PVC valve, replaced the vacuum hoses, replaced spark plugs and wires, replaced the coil pack, and replaced the air filter. The Subaru still would not start in freezing weather, no matter how much you crank it. The only thing left to do seems to be the fuel injector. So in this video we're replacing all of the fuel injectors. So here's the location of the fuel injectors. Right, there's one with the wiring harness. Here's the other one right here. There's one right here. And there's one right there. And the way you take these wiring harnesses off, right in the center of the wiring harness here, there's a button. There, that got off. There you see the fuel injector there. And we've already got 3 changed. These are the 3 old ones. Here's a new one that we still have to put in, and it's in a difficult area. It's right underneath this power steering tubing here. This goes up to the power steering unit. You can see the fuel injector is right here, and I can get to one screw here, but this other one is right at the under the tubing, and the only way my screwdriver will go in there is at an angle. I tried this 90-degree angle, but I can't get enough pressure on it, so the only choice now is to move that tubing a little bit. Okay, so I got a number 10 socket on there. That's a 10mm socket. Okay, I got the 2 screws out here and there. Let's see, there we go, I got that one up. Okay. There we go, got it. Okay, got that one out. One thing about these caps there's a rubber washer that goes right in the center, but it fell out. This rubber washer will it's got a flat side there that corresponds to this flat side. It's getting the injector out. It's in there pretty hard because it has these O-rings that are real tight in there, and I've been using these channel locks. The question is now whether I can get in there to grab it because of the small space. Yeah, it's going to be difficult. Thing is tight in there. I'm pulling up as hard as I can. There. Okay, I got it. Takes a lot of force to pull up on it. I wouldn't be surprised. It's like 50 pounds of force at least. Now what you do is get this new injector and get some oil on the O-rings. I've got some motor oil here in this cap, and you put this around the O-rings there. This helps it to slide into the hole. It takes a lot of force to push it in. The critical thing here is to get that fuel injector completely seated into the hole. This injector has to be completely seated into the hole so that it's flush with this metal part right here. It takes quite a bit of force. So I'll see if I can do that now. There it went in. That last little bit of a clunk there, and it went into the hole. Now it's flush. And now all we have to do is put the wiring harness back on, and we can put the cap back on. Now we put these power steering tubing back together. That's how you replace a fuel injector on a 1995 Subaru Legacy. Now we'll see if it starts up. Started. It started a lot easier than usually does in cold weather. Maybe that solved the problem. After replacing all 4 fuel injectors, we got the problem solved with the car, and it starts right off now in cold weather. That's how you fix this particular Subaru with hard starting problems. So anyway, thanks for watching.